Okay, Heather, here's your tutorial on my eye makeup. And I've never done this before. I've got my phone like propped up in my mirror kind of here, so hopefully I can see what I'm doing and you can see what I'm doing too. So my first color I use for just, this is my everyday look, okay? So I think Saturday I'll be doing like the full look and I'll try to remember to do it then. So I'm using this one right here, not my lightest. It's called Crystalline and Mary Kay, but I know you don't have Mary Kay. Anyway, so I just take that one, and sometimes I put it all over, and sometimes I just put it on the top half. Just kind of depending on my mood. It doesn't really super matter because something else is going on the bottom anyway. So it just kind of remembers, I mean, it just depends on what I'm doing. And then the next one I do, I think it's called is Rose Gold, and it's this one right here. So, and that one is gonna go on my lid like that. And these are just subtle colors because this is just kind of my everyday, not super made up look. Then I'm gonna switch brushes here. I just got a new brush kit, so I'm still figuring it out. Then I'm gonna use this one right here. And I actually don't know what it's called. Trying to see. I can't read it. I need a magnifying glass on my phone, and you're on my phone right now. So I don't know. It probably doesn't matter. Anyway, it's just kind of, and these are all shimmery. I have a few mattes, but these are all shimmery. So this I'm going to put just in the crease right there to start with. And blend it upwards onto the brow bone a little bit. And same thing on the other eye. And then I'm gonna come back and darken it a little bit because I want it a little bit darker. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. And I don't have the best lighting in my bathroom, so I really can't tell if those are even. It looks like this one's darker than this one, which doesn't make sense. Why would it be if I did them the same? So who knows? Anyway, and then sometimes I create like a little wedge over here, and sometimes I don't. This kind of depends on my mood and how much time I have, if I'm in a massive hurry or not. And then blend those together. Oops, looks like I stuck my finger there. Got some makeup to, some eye color to remove in a bit. Blend them in a little bit. And then I take my brow brush and brush my eyebrows up. For now, I'll come back and do them later. And then I have, it's kind of like a black eye color right there. And I use that with the skinny brush. I don't know if you can see that. That's at the end of my brow brush. Not all brow brushes have them. And I put that under my lower lash line. And yeah, the lighting's not, like I said, I don't have fantastic lighting, sorry. And then Mary Kay has an amazing liquid eyeliner pen. And so I use my liquid eyeliner pen to do my eyeliner. And sometimes I get it right the first time, and sometimes I have to go over it several times before it looks good. And I do a tiny bit of Eva's wings, but not super dramatic. I just extend it up and out just a tad. Okay, I like this eyeliner because I think it's waterproof. It stays on really, really good. Then they have an amazing eyebrow tint. And so it has like a little brush on it, kind of like a little mini mascara. And I just lightly go over my brows with that. Going up at the beginning and then working to sideways at the tip. And that's why I brush them up with the brush to start with. So they're headed. Oops, I smudged it a bit there. And this stuff is a little bit messy, so if I make a mistake, I've learned it's best to like wait till it dries and then go back and fix it. So I got a little bit, I don't know if you can see right there. So I'll go get that later and get rid of it. And then I have a lash primer that I use on my top lashes. I found that, and I go on the tops of the lashes, on the tips of the lashes, and then at the base I wiggle and roll and put a little bit of pressure by kind of lightly closing my lid a little bit. Oops, I got a hair there. So again, on the tops of the lashes, tips, and then the underside, wiggle and roll, slightly closing to give a little bit of pressure onto the brush. And I do not let the primer dry. It seems to make it more clumpy if I do. And then I do the same with my mascara tops of the lashes, tips of the lashes, and then wiggle and roll. Tops of the lashes, tips, wiggle and roll. And then the bottoms of the lashes ever so lightly, otherwise they look like spider legs, which I don't want. Oh, I got some eye color smudges on both sides. Probably because usually I do it straight on and I'm trying to do it in the side mirror so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I hope you can. At least enough to figure it out. Ta-da! That's my eyes. Hope you have a good day.